Alright, so next we're about to install the ETS Cat back. This is the Extreme Cat back, so no mufflers, no resonators, 3-inch stainless steel construction. It's all TIG welded by hand, and it's made by some of the best dudes on the planet, because ETS is awesome. So you should put their awesome parts on your car. Another very nice thing about this catback system is that most of the connections are V-band, so you don't have to worry about flanges leaking, you don't have to worry about over-tightening bolts. You just slap it together and it will sound mo bad. These valve spring bolts are fun. Be sure to hold this up so the mid-pipe doesn't just like fall and smack you in the head, because that's not fun either. There's 2 bolts that holds each muffler on. Glad my face wasn't there. Just back the nuts off, and your mid-pipe get all loosey-goosey. Once that mid-pipe's all nice and loosey-goosey, do yourself a favor and spray these freaking exhaust hangers with WD-40, because it's a real pain in the butt if there's none on there, because it won't want to come off. All right.
Out with the old, in with the new.
That's right. And the mufflers have 2 hangers on each side. Do yourself a favor, go ahead and put some WD-40. Fun fact, do you know what WD and WD-40 stands for?
It's water displacement?
Yeah! You get a gold star today, Kyle. And we're done.
Nice.
That's how you remove factory 2022 WRX VV chassis exhaust. Can I has 13?
What?
A 13-inch wrench? 13-inch wrench, please, sir. I need one more, sir.
13-inch would be pretty big, dude. Yeah, I don't think you want a 13-inch wrench.
Yeah. All right, mid-pipe is on.
You is smart. You is beautiful.
You is talented. Well, if I was really smart, I would have sprayed some WD-40 on these hangers, but you know what? Here we are.
Aniseeds on the fucking threads on there.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
so don't spread it all over yourself. We'll be coming out looking like you did on our TV thing again.
That's all we need.
Dane, what are you doing, bro? What you doing, bro?
This is what the Florida heat does to you, friends.
There's your...
me check the tip alignment. Well, go ahead and tighten these up first. Just pulled right into place.
That's because ETS is perfect.
Snap that.
I'm about to install the screw pin transmission mount. Just a couple of ugga-duggas. It is nice that it can only go one way. I just got dripped on. Group in mount installed.